Do you like her hair?
Addie.
It's like Addie's hair. You have 2 pigtails. No, don't pull them out. Do you want to see on the camera? No, leave it there, please. Leave it there. It's very pretty. So pretty. Are you ready to eat your raisins and go to church? Don't drop your cup. Thank you. You want a straw? You want a drink? You have a drink right there. You don't need a straw. Daddy would give you a straw. You're right. When you dropped it. It's okay.